So friends, today is Sunday. We are here again with the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. Share with your colleagues, share with your friends, share with your near and dear ones, and please subscribe if you like it. Today's topic of discussion is enriching our confidence. Of course, we are talking about self-confidence. We believe that confidence or self-confidence is the value by which people are born with. No, it is a skill which can be developed over a period of time. Just to more substantiate it, it's a soft skill. It is not seen, but it can be developed. How it can be developed? It can be developed by accepting our small wins and small setbacks. Now, once we are able to develop our soft skill, which is self confidence, we will appear more convincing and assured, as well as that will enhance our magnetic personality. Which are those critical elements of self confidence? I will take it as the valuing of ourself, myself. Tell me, tell ourselves that I am worthy. Even if we have got a small wins, let's not overplay it. Even if we have got a little setbacks, let's not underplay it. Let's not immediately start thinking I am good or I'm good for nothing. So let's not diminish our values, because if we will diminish our values and if we try to achieve an objective by diminishing our values or by compromising with our values, that will again give you lack of confidence. Why? Because next time the circumstances will be different and you may not be able to achieve with that shortcut. So that will give you a lack of confidence. And this also indicates to others that don't take me seriously. Sometimes I'm able to do it and sometimes I'm not able to do it. By valuing ourselves, I think we can get a sense of achievement. The other important factor is knowledge and eagerness to learn and act. If we have a knowledge, let's update it quite regularly on any of the subject which we are handling quite often. And let's update our knowledge. Let's be eager to learn and let's act as and when required. Most important point from here also comes is that accepting who we are. We cannot immediately develop our strengths or maybe in areas of development. We can identify our areas of developments as well as strength, and let's acknowledge that I'm good at this, I'm not good at this. Everywhere, every time, we cannot be good at each and everything. So that is one more important critical element of a self confidence. This is my favorite. Believe in our abilities. Even unexpected happens. Usually what happens that we, again, I'm just repeating that if we are not able to achieve something, we first thing which we do is that we do not believe in our abilities. Please don't do that. Believe in our abilities. That is a very, very critical element for increasing our or developing our self confidence. Validation is very much required. Self validation is very, very critically, it should be critical also and it should be critically evaluated also. So evaluate yourself when it comes to an external, so not to overdo it. Touch base upon some of the external validation. You get a little idea that what you are evaluating yourself and what others are saying about yourself. So a mixture of both can give you a lot of ideas and a validation that where you are with respect to your confidence and abilities. But external validation, don't overdo it. Boost self confidence, and that will improve our image. Speaking very loudly, very fast, speaking in a whispering way, these are a couple of things which gives an indicator that we are not confident. We have not updated our knowledge, we have not learned the subject, and when we are speaking or telling the same thing to others, we are either very loud, either we are whispering. So that will give a very clear indicator to the audiences that this person is not confident or maybe he has not done his homework well. Right. So next time when we will meet on next Sunday, we will be talking about and taking this subject further, that how to influence the confidence. We have discussed today how to enrich the confidence. Next time we will discuss how to influence the confidence. So go through these discussions and share your feedbacks. And thanks for listening and watching. See you on next Sunday.